My back is killing me right now, but excited. Hi, welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna do some grinding, grind those welds down. It is about midnight. I fell asleep before I came out here, so bear with me. Spent all day outside cleaning up around the garage, so it kind of wore me out. But I did buy a new grinding disc. Hopefully it'll work fine. And a new couple cutoff discs and another it's a cutoff wheel, but it's a little bit thicker. Not as quite as thick as the blue one we got on there now, but I figure we'll use that one that's on the angle grinder now, kind of knock the welds down kind of flatter, and then come back and finish up with this. Just see what they look like. That's my plan tonight, because I gotta get them going to work in the morning, so hopefully get these welds knocked down a bit, and I won't say polished up, but make them look nicer. And that should reveal if we need to touch up any of them, which I'm sure we will. But kind of interested to see around this top part when I grind down, see how bad it looks. But anyways, that's about all that's going on tonight. So let's sit you over there and get to grinding. All right, this is what we done. It doesn't look half bad. You can still see some of the welds, but most of these through here, a little bit of grinding, you can't really tell, which hopefully that will get, you know, covered up. Anyways, I figure I'm gonna go ahead and kind of key this whole pan with that flapper wheel, so I can get a good base for that etching primer to stick to. But I think this is all I'm gonna get done tonight. My back is killing me right now, but excited. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, bending over, grinding on that really pushes your lower back. At least it does on me. None of the well, there's one weld that we didn't do, so we may go back and tack that in and then grind it down. But the rest of them look pretty good. I think that rhino line that I want to do in there should cover it enough that you won't notice it too much. And two, the seat will be over that, and there'll be a hopefully like one of those lock boxes underneath the passenger side seat that I've seen. I like to get one of those. So, I mean, I want it to look good, but I'm not too concerned seeing, you know, a little bit of a weld and whatnot. But yeah, my back's really killing me after working out there today and doing this. I'm gonna be pretty sore tomorrow. I don't know if I'll video the rest of the grinding. That's basically what I'm gonna do the rest of the pan. I may do that in between videos. I think next time we'll take this inner rocker off and work on it. If we get it where we want it and get it tacked to the braces, we'll come in and start stitching this little area up here and attach it to the tub in the back, that little tab we made. That'll be the next video. Then hopefully Friday's video will be welding the kick panel on, finally. Use some of that priming, etching primer. Well, I'm gonna try to do the transmission tunnel, all this through here on this side, get this side completely done. So we'll sand back the paint on the transmission tunnel and up underneath the firewall, or underneath the dash, right up in here. Get all that sanded down and painted with that self-etching primer. And then we should be good to seam seal everything. But anyways, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. It's probably gonna be like a short video. Sorry for that, but I thought I'd get it further than that on grinding, but it takes a lot of time, especially when your welds are pretty high. The ones that are kind of flat, I just zipped over a couple times and they're good, but the one in the corner, I'm gonna have to work on that for a while. And we still got to weld the top piece corner up and get that taken care of and ground back down. So we still got work to do, but it's looking promising. Can't wait to put some primer on it and be done for now. But anyways, if you made it this far, thanks again. It does really help the channel out. If you're new to the channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm gonna be able to Bronco. I know I keep on saying we need to start the Camaro and turn over the Healy. I'm going to try to do that. It's just been kind of hectic around here lately, so. But we will do that hopefully this week too. Probably be a little short video on each one. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.